Devotion, veneration, pure faith, and certainty are the most decisive factors a practitioner needs when embarking on the spiritual journey of Vajrayana. A disciple needs to develop devotion as well as gratitude, and have pure faith by winning certainty in the Root Lama and all Lamas of the Transmission Lineage. When a Vajrayana disciple practices the path, progress depends upon the stability and certainty he or she has generated and developed. Certainty of practice and attainment of fruition depend upon the devotion and veneration a disciple has for his or her Root Lama. Some pupils have natural faith in their Lama, others have difficulties. Therefore, it is necessary to gradually develop sincere devotion and trust. Beginners need to check their attitude and look at their own mind. Then they will be able to have pure devotion for the outer manifestation of the Lama, which becomes natural and spontaneous while practicing advanced stages of the path. A disciple first contemplates a Lama's qualities in order to gradually establish unwavering devotion, which is then called non-artificial. Non-artificial and uncontrived veneration and dedication support progress. Further blessings are then transmitted by a Root Lama until a disciple is able to realize the true nature of his or her mind and have pure faith. There are 3 stages while establishing a relationship with a Lama: contrived devotion that arises from inspection, uncontrived and natural veneration, and realization of the mind's true nature, which is pure faith.